Plasma, the mysterious fourth state of matter, is all around us, shaping the universe in ways you wouldn't believe. Today, we're diving into one of plasma's most fascinating phenomena: plasmoids. These compact, self-contained plasma structures are not just cool to look at. They're a key to understanding some of the most powerful forces in the universe. Let's explore what plasmoids are, where we find them, and why they matter. So, what exactly is a plasmoid? At its core, a plasmoid is a small, self-contained blob of plasma surrounded by its own magnetic field. Plasma itself is a hot, electrically charged gas made of ions and free electrons. It's sometimes called the fourth state of matter, alongside solids, liquids, and gases. What makes plasmoids unique is how they maintain their structure. Magnetic fields act like an invisible cage, holding the plasma in a stable, bubble-like form. Without these magnetic forces, the plasma would quickly dissipate. This means plasmoids are like little pockets of controlled chaos. In fact, the word plasmoid comes from the idea of plasma forming into a cohesive shape thanks to these magnetic field lines. You might be surprised to learn that plasmoids can form naturally right here on Earth. During a lightning strike, for example, tiny plasmoids can appear as part of the electrical discharge. But Earth is just the beginning. Plasmoids are much more common in space. Take the Sun, for instance. When solar flares erupt or magnetic reconnection events occur, plasmoids form as part of the plasma ejected into space. These solar plasmoids travel at incredible speeds and carry vast amounts of energy, sometimes triggering geomagnetic storms when they hit Earth. And it's not just the Sun. Plasmoids play a role in the Earth's magnetosphere too. When the solar wind interacts with our planet's magnetic field, it can create plasmoids that help shape the auroras we see near the poles. They've also been observed in cosmic jets, around black holes, and even in some of the largest explosions in the universe, gamma-ray bursts. While plasmoids are fascinating in nature, they're also making waves in the lab. Scientists have been creating plasmoids for decades to study plasma behavior. One of the most exciting applications is in nuclear fusion research, the process of generating energy by fusing atomic nuclei. In fusion experiments, plasmoids are used to stabilize the plasma needed for reactions. They help contain the extreme temperatures required for fusion to occur, which can reach millions of degrees Celsius. Without plasmoids, sustaining these reactions would be nearly impossible. That's why plasmoids could play a crucial role in developing fusion as a clean, virtually limitless energy source for the future. So, how do plasmoids form? The process usually begins with magnetic reconnection, a phenomenon where magnetic field lines break and reconnect, releasing massive amounts of energy. This energy heats the plasma and twists it into a compact shape, held together by the new magnetic configuration. In natural settings like the Sun, this can create giant plasmoids tens of thousands of kilometers wide. In the lab, however, scientists create much smaller versions to study their properties. This ability to form and control plasmoids is not just about energy. It's also helping us understand astrophysical phenomena like solar storms and cosmic jets in greater detail. So, why should we care about plasmoids? For one, they help us understand the universe on both a small and massive scale. From the way energy moves in thunderstorms to the behavior of matter near black holes. They also provide crucial insights into plasma physics, which is the key to unlocking clean energy through fusion. But plasmoids aren't just about the big picture. They're a reminder of how the natural world is full of elegant solutions to complex problems. Who would have thought magnetic fields could sculpt plasma into these fascinating shapes? Plasmoids may be tiny, but they hold the secrets to some of the biggest mysteries in science, and maybe even the future of energy. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing Science Decoded.